Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, you did close down 55 basis points on the 1-hour chart. If we zoom in, and we have now approached to negative MACD territory, and we also breached the 200 moving average that was acting as our temporary support, and that now act as our resistance for meantime to the upside, and that is at the price of $27.17. If we expand that to the 4-hour chart, we also breach below the 200 moving average, and again acting as a resistance to the upside at the price of $27.26. For the MACD, we have approached to negative territory, and for the daily chart, what we have here is we see the 9-moving average diverge onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. And we also see the daily MACD approach to negative territory. So there is downward momentum in play. So for the moment, if we do continue to slope lower, the next possible support will be the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $25.74. And that coincides with past support levels that dated back all the way to August 12th. And to the upside, if we do manage to reverse higher, the next resistance will be where we made past resistance that dated back to September 1st at the price of $28.51. So if we do manage to hit resistance, that price movement is roughly around 6%, and to the downside to hit support, that is roughly around 4.9%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and for my position size, it will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $23.65 for my long entry, which is this range right here, and that also coincides with the 50-day moving average, that yellow line. And my stock target for my long is $25.64, and my stop loss is $22.98. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry would be $26.21, which coincides with past resistance levels that dated back to, say, August 18th as well as September 1st. So that would be my short entry. And my sell target will be $24.36, and my stop loss will be $26.95. So basically, whichever position hits my entry, that will be my position for the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 44% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 5%. And on the extreme case, 11% chance to climb between 5% to 10%. To the downside, we have a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and for the extreme case, to the downside, 11% chance to fall between negative 5% to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.